Hello there. Wanted to do the last 4 words for Max Swings for the Fences today, and it's kind of beautiful, so I figured let's do it outside. And there just happens to be 2 bald eagles flying over my house. Yeah, I just looked up in the sky to show you guys how beautiful it is outside, and there were 2 bald eagles. What are the chances? I don't think I've ever seen 2 bald eagles over my house. I have seen, maybe it's the same 2, but I have seen 2 bald eagles flying over the soccer fields behind the school. Okay, the first word I want to talk about is plausible. Plausible, and that's an adjective. It describes something. And the way I think of plausible is possible. Like, it's possible something could happen. If you hear plausible, that's pretty much the same thing. So to use an example, it's plausible we will have snow in December. Like, I don't know for sure, but it's certainly plausible. So right now, we're not together because of coronavirus. If there was no coronavirus, we would be in the same classroom. But I could say that it is implausible that the coronavirus will end by next week. Like, that's the opposite of plausible, implausible. It doesn't seem very likely to happen. The next word I'd like to talk about is self-deprecating. Self-deprecating, that means making fun of yourself. And in Max Swings for the Fences, he often uses self-deprecating humor. So he might stumble over something, trip, and then he may say, "Oh, I'm so clumsy, I'm such a klutz," something like that. That would be self-deprecating humor. The next word is reverence. Reverence, and that means when you have a deep respect for something. Reverence is a noun, but you sometimes will hear revere as a verb. So hopefully you revere your parents, or you have great reverence for your parents, meaning you have a lot of respect for them. I'm filming this on September 12th. Yesterday was September 11th, and maybe you know someone, maybe yourself, they have a lot of reverence for the American flag. They may treat it with a lot of respect. Some people think that the American flag should never touch the ground. So some people really revere the American flag. The next word is solemn or solemnly, and that means something very serious. It also goes along with revere sometimes, a lot of respect. But September 11th, the anniversary of September 11th, is often a very solemn day, meaning very serious. Some people are often sad during that day. Solemnly. You'll also hear that during wedding vows, when 2 people are being married, a person might ask, "Do you solemnly swear?" Meaning, will they take care of that person for the rest of their lives? Solemn, if something is solemn or described as solemnly, it means very serious. Oftentimes, visiting a graveyard, visiting a grave can be a solemn occasion. It's a very serious occasion. And again, solemn, often sad, but definitely serious. So I hope these last 3 videos with the vocabulary words will help you when it comes to reading Max Swings for the Fences on your own. But don't worry, we will be reading it in class, and also I'll have a video in which I read it to you with the digital pages right on the screen. Thanks for watching. Hope you're doing well. See you next time.